Turning your engine 20V42 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Same as well, the alternator here, no problem. The socket already broken here, you can see here. And the turbo from this side also good, no damage, no broken. Didn't see any damages from outside here. Very nice, very good. Everything from this side is good, no problem. Nice. And from this side also good, no problem. Starter, very nice, very good, no damage. And down here the oil sump and the gearbox also good, no damage, no broken. And the engine is turning good.